everyone, I live in Canada and I'm very excited to do my first unboxing video. So I've finally received my package from Armenia. So this is the book. And the Duduks. And the reads. So this is the book that was written by Georgy Minasyan, who was a very honored artist and a Duduk master player, inventor, teacher, and music educator. It is written in 3 languages, which are Armenian, Russian, and English. So I have here 2 in the key of A, 1 in the key of D, and 1 in the key of B. We can look at this one. These are very beautiful made. They're professionally handcrafted and very well tuned. And here are the reeds. This is how they look like. And by the way, if you are interested in any other keys of the Duduks, we can definitely order some more from Armenia. So everybody stay tuned for more future videos that we're going to post that will go into more depth about different keys, sound quality, and about the book. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time.